Hey everybody, just a quick check-in about our work going into Module 3. So what we're all about right now is Artist Path Essay. And so for this week, you're carving out your actual narrative about your own artistic development. And then next week, we're going to be moving into peer review. So next week is a light week. Basically, we're going to be looking at one another's essays and offering feedback, critique for improvement, and also reading an excerpt from Patti Smith's marvelous artistic autobiography, Just Kids. Now, I have extended the submission deadline for your Artist Path essays until Wednesday. So you got a little bit of extra time to polish those up. Please don't take that as extra time to do a vacation. And we will all plunge in, especially for peer review, on Wednesday and Thursday. So keep your spirits up, keep your focus in, and enjoy the work that we're doing. Okay, thanks.